What to do when she pulls away. She pulls away. Texts dry up. Calls fade. Her presence starts feeling like absence. And the first thought that hits you is, what did I do wrong? But what if the real question is, what should I do now? In this video, you'll learn exactly how to respond when she pulls away, the Stoic Souljah way. 1. Don't react. Observe. Most men panic. They send long texts, ask what's wrong, try to pull her back in. But that energy only pushes her further away. Don't react. Observe. If her energy shifts, your silence becomes your strategy. 2. Create instant distance. When she starts stepping back, you don't chase. You match her energy, not out of spite, but out of self-respect. You stop texting first. You stop initiating. You let her notice the space she created. And that space? It forces her to feel what life is like without your presence. Not in anger, in power. 3. Recenter into purpose. While she's unsure, you don't sit around. You train, you read, you build. You focus on your mission, not her emotion. This is the moment you prove to yourself that your identity is not attached to her attention. Go harder at work. Take control of your body. Stack silent wins, because a distracted man chases. A focused man attracts. 4. Respect the silence, but watch the pattern. If she's genuinely going through something, she'll return, and you'll feel the truth in her tone. But if this is a pattern, emotional push-pull, hot and cold, using distance to manipulate, you've just been handed the greatest gift, her real self. And if she's inconsistent now, it'll only get worse later. So don't interrupt the silence, let her reveal herself in it. 5. If she returns, set the frame. When, not if, she comes back, don't throw yourself back in. Keep your frame, keep your calm. Say this: I notice the distance, I respect it. Just know I don't stay in confusion, I move in clarity. This isn't a threat, it's a boundary. And boundaries make men attractive, because you weren't waiting, you were evolving. Remember this: when she pulls away, you pull within. You don't prove your worth, you protect your peace, because the man who doesn't chase emotion is the man emotion always returns to. This is Stoic Souljah, where men master their emotions and conquer life without noise. Subscribe now.